Hello, is this Turk?
What's up? What's up, homie?
What's good, baby? Hold on for a second, Turk. Let me set you up real quick, all right?
Bet that.
No doubt, baby. For all my listeners out there, man, we get the opportunity to sit down with one of New Orleans' original and extraordinary music creators, and he goes by the name of Turk. And we're going to sit down with this cat for a little while, man. He going to let us know how he getting down on his side of town. And let me say this. Boy, I'm glad to see the cat is home, man, so we can get some more of that hot shit coming out of the motherfucking South. So, Turk, baby.
Hot shit, straight block shit. What it do?
No doubt, baby. So, Turk, baby, how life treating you these days?
Man, it's all good, man. You know what I'm saying? It's a blessing, man. You know, I thank God every day that he gave me a chance to have daylight again. You know what I'm saying? After 8 years, 8 months, 16 days. It's a blessing.
No doubt, baby. Hey, so Turk, baby, I need you to walk us back, man. Take us back, man, how this whole rap thing came about for you, man, and what started it, you know what I'm saying, and how you kind of evolved from where you was then to who you are now.
Really, truly, man, you know, I always had a vision and a dream to get my mom out of the project. You know what I'm saying? And I knew the only way I could do that, I got to have some kind of hustle, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And being on the block, being in the hood, that hustle was taking too long. You know what I'm saying? So I came up with an idea that I'm going to be a rapper one day, you know, just playing around. And I used to rap at school, rap at dances and DJs in the project, you know what I'm saying? And then I started having a little following, you know what I'm saying? I didn't know it was serious then, but as I started doing it, getting better, a lot of people started requesting me to rap at DJs, so I started doing like the 9 o'clock procs on Q93 in New Orleans. You know what I'm saying? I used to win. Right. You know what I'm saying? So I like, damn, man, I could do this. Yeah. So the female rapper that Cash Money had, Magnolia Shorty, she was signed with Cash Money like in 1995. Right. You know what I'm saying? And me and her used to rap at the DJs in the Magnolia a lot. You know what I'm saying? So by her being signed with Cash Money, she put the word in Slim and Baby ear about me. Just gave me the hookup like that. So one day, Baby and Slim wound up coming to a DJ, you know what I'm saying, in the Magnolia, and Manny Fresh happened to be DJing. So that was my opportunity. And when they showed up, I showed out, you know what I'm saying? I spit for him. Slim gave me a card. I went to the studio. The rest was history. You know what I'm talking about?
No doubt, baby. So back then, man, so you know, everybody at some point, man, is getting inspired by something or somebody. You know what I'm saying? So who did you kind of liken your style to? Who did you kind of liken your style to back then, or did you have your own style? You know what I'm saying? Was you coming to the table with something brand new that ain't nobody never heard before? You know what I'm saying? And how did you put that down back then?
It just was thugging music, man. You know what I'm saying? My lifestyle, wherever I was living, that's what I was feeling. It was coming out like that. You know what I'm saying? One of the realest. So I mean, I just keep it thugging, man. That's all I can say. You know what I'm saying? I ain't had no style. Right. It was my lifestyle. You heard me? Yeah,
no doubt. You know what I'm saying? So tell me, man, like, was you like, because you just spoke on something, you know, just a couple minutes ago. Did you envision your success, man? Because you know what I'm saying, you came up real quick and fast, you know what I'm saying, you know, at an early age. So, you know, tell the people, man, did you envision that? You know what I'm saying? Did you know that this was going to happen? I mean, you know, was you going at it every day like that?
Yeah, it was always a vision. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, if you don't have no vision, man, there's nothing. You know what I'm saying? So I always have visions with everything that I do. You know what I'm saying? And if I don't see it, you know what I'm saying, I don't do it. You know what I'm talking about? So that's how I be led. I guess that be the spirit of God lead me until my destiny where I'm supposed to be. You know what I'm saying? Like right now, you know what I'm saying, I done seen this guy, saw me being released from those gates. You know what I'm saying? Even with me having all the time that I had, I never accepted it. You know what I'm saying? I always look forward like Barack. You know what I'm saying? And, man, here I am today. You know what I'm saying? 8 years, 8 months, 16 days later, on the phone doing the interview. You know what I'm saying? I just come from Atlanta. I had a welcome home Turk party. You know, I did MTV News. You know, a few publications and bloggers. You know what I'm saying? And recorded 8 songs already. I've been home 2 weeks. You know, I got my mixtape coming out.
Yeah, we go.
Drummer boy, man, just getting it in.
Yeah, we gonna get into all that. You know what I'm saying? So I mean, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, coming up as fast as you did, you know what I'm saying, and doing the things that you was doing, man. You know what I'm saying? What was some of the pros and the cons, man, of being who you was, man, back then when, you know, Turk was really doing his thing?
Man, you know, I mean, you had the people that come out the woodwork. You know, everybody cancel you now. You know what I'm saying? Then you have people that you can help. You know what I'm saying? I love helping people. I love children. You know what I'm saying? With the influence that I have, that I had and have, you know what I'm saying? I was able to do a whole lot of things that people only dream of doing. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people have dreams and visions and can't do it because they don't have the proper tools to execute it. You know what I'm saying? So just to be able to do things and put smiles on other people's faces, man, that was a blessing as well. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, no doubt, baby. So you know, you went through your little thing, you know what I'm saying? And you know, you had to take a little vacation and all that, you know what I'm saying? We ain't gonna get all of that because, you know what I'm saying, we already know that's done and over. You know what I mean? But you know, but tell us, man, you know, how you was able to stay focused, man, while you was on your little vacation, you know what I'm saying? And did you have people around you supporting you, you know what I'm saying, in your time of need?
Yeah, first of all, you know, you need that support, and you know what I'm saying, you got to have your spirituality at the part. You know, I kept God first. My fiance, she stood down the whole time I was locked up, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And you know, the support of my friends always never shady. I don't call them fans, you know what I'm talking about, and just me just having that vision, man, that it will be over one day. Yeah. That's how I stayed focused, doing my thing, you know what I'm saying, working on what I need to work on to be prepared for this day.
No doubt. So you had the opportunity, man, you not kind of blessed, you is blessed, you know what I'm saying, and you had the opportunity, man, to be able to still do music, man, while you was down. And so give us a little insight on that, man, on how you actually stayed focused, man, to be able to keep putting out music, man, while you was doing whatever you was doing, you heard?
You know, I was into BET, we watching BET, you know what I'm saying? We had MP3 players, we had access to the internet. I was able to stay aware of what was going on the streets, you know what I'm saying? So that was motivation within itself, just being able to study the game as the years passed, you know what I'm saying? And I just kept it on. I wasn't doing my music, I was writing my book. If I wasn't writing my book, I was doing a screenplay. You know, if I wasn't doing a screenplay, I was doing something else. I just stayed focused.
No doubt, baby. And so, you know, I hear that, you know, you all over the place since you've been home, baby. So let me just let you know that and give you a big shout out for that. You know what I'm saying? Because they do know Turk is back in the building. You heard? But so the whole time you was down, you said you was doing you some reading, you know what I'm saying? And along with a lot of other things, I also heard, you know, your chess game is on top of the world. You know what I mean? So was these all some of the things that you was doing, you know what I'm saying, to stay focused for the day that they did release you?
Yeah, you got to have something constructive, you know what I'm saying? I stayed away from the gambling, and I stayed away from other negativity that was going on, you know what I'm saying, because I know what was coming, and I know what I had to do to handle what was coming, you know what I'm saying? So I had a made up mind, man, you know what I'm saying? Throughout the years when I was young, my mind wasn't made up, you know what I'm saying? I was fucking up a whole lot, you know what I'm saying? I just looked into myself and found out who I was as a man, you know what I'm saying? And jail made me a man, so I was able to handle what's to come, you know what I'm saying? Just staying focused.
No doubt. You know what I'm saying? So also here, man, you know what I'm saying, since you've been down, man, you got so much material, man, and you might come out with about 15 albums in about 6 months. You know what I'm saying?
Man, you know, I got a lot of material, but it's all about getting that right song. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, I don't want to be the type that just be in the studio just doing songs just to say, okay, well, I got 1,000 songs. I want the right song so I can please the people. You know what I'm talking about? I want to give them quality music.
Right, no doubt. So give me an example, man, of kind of like who Turk was then and who Turk is now, and the kind of music that Turk gonna bring us today. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, the only thing changed, I didn't grow up. I'm Mr. YT, I'm Mr. Young and Thuggin', I'm Young and Thuggin', but I'm grown up. You know, I endorse the young niggas, you know what I'm saying? I represent for the streets, man. You know, I'm making better decisions, and I ain't trying to be involved with no bullshit like I used to be, you know what I'm saying? That's basically it, man. I'm still keeping it thugging, you heard me?
Yeah, all day, baby, you know what I'm saying? And you just kind of spoke on something, man, that I actually wanted you to speak on, you know what I'm saying? You might want to get a little deeper with it, you know what I'm saying, about the youngsters today, you know what I'm saying, the things they doing and the lessons that you can kind of pass back to them, man, and letting them know, man, about how to keep it right in this business and how to keep your business right in this industry, you know what I mean? So, you know, give us a little insight, man, on how you was able to do that, man, you know what I'm saying? Because there's some youngsters out there today, man, that might want to follow your motherfucking script, you heard?
Man, what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? You always gotta have management, you always gotta have your attorney, You know, you always got to know that it's a business. Study as much as you could, you know what I'm saying, from other people's mistakes, and get in those books, read those books, because there's a lot of knowledge in there. And if you don't have no knowledge of what you're getting yourself into, you know what I'm saying, you're going to perish, you know what I'm saying? Not meaning that you're going to die, but you're just going to suffer, and you're going to have to suffer the consequences for what you don't know. You know what I'm talking about? So when I came in the game, some things I didn't know. You know, so I had to learn from experience, and sometimes, man, that's the best teacher. But through that experience, it hurt. You know what I'm saying? But when you don't look back and you move forward, you don't regret it. You know what I'm saying? Because it make you into the person, the businessman, the man, whatever you have transitioned into, it make you into that. You know what I'm saying? But I want the young kids and the younger generation to know that. Just learn from other people. You don't have to go through the same things if you apply yourself right.
Yeah, no doubt about that. So, man, you up, you out, you know what I'm saying? I know life is, you know what I'm saying, real good for you right now. You're doing your thing and all that. So, you know what I'm saying, I hear you coming out with a next label. You know what I'm saying? Tell us what this label thing gonna be all about.
The YNT, man, you know what I'm saying? YNT, we all gonna eat. Young and thugging all of nothing 10 times 100, you know what I'm saying? YNT Empire, where visions get inspired. You know, we doing big things over here, man, you know what I'm saying? Me, myself, Imani the Made Woman, and I'm starting this group called the YNTO. It's gonna be a bunch of young niggas from all over, you know what I'm saying? When I hit your city, you hit me on the radio and you got your hot shit, come fuck with this YNT shit, you know what I'm saying? Be a part of this YNTO. We about to be like the young Wu-Tang Clan, you know what I'm saying? The South. Young niggas taking over.
Yeah, no doubt, baby. You heard it first right here on Mafia Magazine Radio. Turk will let you know what it is and how it's getting ready to come to you, man. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, is this just going to be that one group, or, man, or is you going to try to expand this to something, man, that we may have not seen before, Turk?
Man, it's gonna be something real big, you know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't a group, it's a movement. You know what I'm saying? I got the Made Woman movement, I got the Young and Thuggin' movement, you know what I'm saying, man? This shit just 10 times 100 is 1,000. We don't keep it 100 no more, you know what I'm saying? We gonna make this shit do what it do. You know what I'm saying? We represent for the niggas and the bitches, you know what I'm saying? No disrespect, you know what I'm talking about, but they know what it is.
Yeah, no doubt. You know what I'm saying? Hey, and I just want to give you a big shout out, man, to my cat Boston Spooky there, man. They told me this to holler at you, you know what I'm saying? You know, connected and respected, and that whole camping movement down there, you know what I'm saying? You know, stay on your team and all that. They just wanted me to let you know that, you know what I'm saying? But you know, so when the mixtape coming, man? You know what I'm saying? When we gonna be hearing Turk do his thing?
Man, the mixtape coming, man. We gonna try to put that thing out, give him an early Christmas present, man. Drummer Boy, you know what I'm saying? He in LA right now, you know what I'm saying? About to touch down, and we about to go make some classic music soon. He come back, you know. He been sending me tracks, but I told him yesterday, I was like, man, look, we need to get in that you know what I'm saying, and do some exclusive shit. You know, I'm talking about right on the spot type shit. You know what I'm talking about? So he all for it, man. We just pushing, you know what I'm saying? We want to make sure it's quality music, like I said. You heard me?
Yeah, no doubt, baby. And so I know along with that mixtape, man, is we going to be able to see some videos coming out of that. You know what I'm saying? I mean,
yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's video, everything, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can follow me on my Twitter and see all the movements that I make. I do tweet back, you know what I'm saying? It ain't nobody else controlling it, you know what I'm saying? Get at me at Turk, Mr. YNT. You know, follow me on my Instagram at Turk_Imani, EMANI, you know what I'm saying? That's just how we rocking, and y'all can see what we doing, you know what I'm talking about?
No doubt, baby. Hey, Turk, baby, I got a question I need to ask you, man. You know what I'm saying? Do you feel like, you know what I'm saying, you got some time that you need to make up? I mean, you know what I'm saying? What's your mindset these days, you know what I'm saying, on how hard and how fast you gonna go, man, to achieve what you trying to get, what you trying to get done?
You can't look back and make up for time, you know what I'm saying? You just gotta take the bitter with the sweet, man, you know what I'm saying, and go ahead on move forward. You know, like I said, man, shit, it gonna move fast because I know what it is now, you know what I'm saying? Things don't happen for people because they don't know. You know what I'm saying? Now that I know, it ain't nothing that I can't do. You know what I'm saying? With a determination there, the way to be found, and I've been determined. You know, I'm still determined. I'm about to get it. You know what I'm saying? When I say I'm going to do something, it's already done.
Yeah, no doubt, baby. And you just spoke on your vision, you know what I'm saying? Because I was getting ready to ask you, man, you know what I'm saying? What Turk gonna look like, man, 5 years down the road, you know what I'm saying? And, you know, what you see, man, and what should we see that you gonna be seeing down the line, man, 5 years from now?
Man, 5 years, 10 years, 20 years from down the line, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna see the fruits of my labor because they're gonna bless everybody that's around me, you know what I'm saying? Like Joseph, when he did with his brothers and the rest of the nation. You know what I'm talking about?
No doubt,
everybody
baby.
gonna be blessed. That's what's gonna happen in 5, 6, 10, 12, whatever, however many years after I do it. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be continually going.
Yeah, no doubt, baby. Hey, for all my listeners out there, man, you get the opportunity right now, man, to hear it first right here on Mafia Magazine Radio. We got the cat on the line right now, and his name is Turk. You know who he is. I ain't got to explain it to you. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hey, Turk, baby, man, it was beautiful, man, that you came out, man. You spent some time with us, you know what I'm saying? And you gave us your side, man, of what you doing and how you getting down on your side of town. You know what I'm saying? And before
I appreciate that.
No doubt, baby.
I appreciate that. Right now, I'm watching this Saints game. You know what I'm saying? They doing their thing. My homeboy Drew Brees. I know we about to take it to the Super Bowl. For all these unbelievers, you know what I'm saying? Y'all tune in, man, to NBC.
You know, no doubt, baby. Hey, Turk, baby. Before we go, man, I want to give you one more opportunity, man, to shout out everything, man, and plug everybody, man, that's helped you get to the point to where you are today, man.
Man, I want to shout out, first of all, you know what I'm saying? I want to thank God, you know, because without God, it wouldn't be no me. You know what I'm saying? Secondly, I want to thank my fiance, Imani, the maid woman, you know what I'm saying? That's how we rocking. We keeping it 10 times 100, stood down 8 years, 8 months, 16 days. You know, I want to shout out my son, Lil Tabrin, you know what I'm saying? I love him to death, you know what I'm saying? It is all good. I'm home now. You don't have to miss me no more days, you know what I'm saying? We about to make it do what it do. Shout out to everybody else, you know what I'm saying, who represent and who stood down for Turk throughout the years. All my friends always never shaded. And once again, y'all follow me on Twitter at Turk Mr. YNT. Hit me on Instagram at Turk _Imani. That's EMANI. You know what I'm talking about? Y'all can see how I rock.
Hey, no doubt, baby. For all my listeners out there, once again, I'm letting you know, man, we just had a conversation with Turk, man. The cat is on his grind. Y'all get with him, man. And Turk, baby, is anything that Mafia can do with you, man, just give us a call, man, and we right there with you. You heard?
Hey, also, man, y'all go online and check out that MTV News, you know what I'm saying, interview I just did online, mtvnews.com. Turk, y'all put Turk in it, it'll come up. It's very exclusive information. Y'all don't want to miss it.
No doubt. Hey, Turk, baby, appreciate you, man. Stay blessed, and may you always prosper, man. You know what I'm saying?
Man, that's what's up, bro. Anytime. I appreciate you.
No doubt, baby. Peace.
All right.